What is going on, everybody? My name is Nick from MWK-Pop, bringing you another installation in my throwback music video reaction series where I take user suggestions from past songs that I may or may not have seen, and I watch them for the first time, and I do a music video reaction to them. So this one suggested by B. Raimi, once again, who suggested the Sia, I believe, in my previous one. This suggestion came back to me, came into me on early September. So it's been a while since the suggestion was made, but you know, if you don't mean, I can take a suggestion from any point in time and pull it out and use it for one of these. So if you want to make a suggestion, drop it down in the comments below or send them to me on Twitter. I will take a look at them, and you might see what yours in a future throwback reaction video at some point between now and whenever I stop doing YouTube. So let's get this one going. Let's get this one underway. Did I say who this was? I think I did, but just in case, we got 2NB doing Black Tears. We're going back 2 years or so, back to 2010, I believe it is, to watch this one. So let's get it going in 3, 2, 1, go. I should be playing. This is not like from any sort of official YouTube channel, I don't think, so I'm not sure. It's a bit. This is a bit of a cheesy music video. It's a little cheesy. There's lots of cheese, but why do I feel like this music video is not... I tried to download the HD version and I don't feel like it is, but hey, you know, this is it's a couple years old, man. Video quality has seriously upgraded in the last few years. This is good. Music video is not really doing it for me, I'll be real, but the song, on the other hand, is great. I like good vocals, you know. It's one of the things that impresses, I mean, that, you know, obviously is it should impress everybody, but that's one of the things that I really like. What the fuck? I think this is like a music video I could have directed. What the? Why is he all tied up now? What is going on? Now the video got weird. What the hell? No, music video still not doing it for me. But I feel like this is the end of the song. It is indeed the end of the song. I do hope that that was like the official music video that I just did a reaction to, because if it's not, I'll be a little sad, honestly. But, well, I do appreciate the suggestion. It was fantastic. The song is great. The music video, on the other hand, is a bit underwhelming, but, you know, it's a couple years old, so things like that are, obviously, it's a bit dated compared to modern day stuff. But, yeah, it was good. I enjoyed it. It was fantastic. Like I said, music video wasn't really there for me too much, but on the other hand, the song was great. I like it. You know, strong vocals. It's a bit of a refresher going. It's a bit refreshing, I should say, going from, you know, listening to pop songs and stuff like that, where maybe the vocals and, you know, vocal quality and being, you know, good singing and all that stuff is not really the focus, going to something that, you know, being able to sing well is the reason, and it's a focus, and it's a main thing. So, you know, something like this, it's a bit of a change up. Plus, it's old, and, you know, exposing me to old things that I may or may not have heard is great. So this one definitely, though, is a couple years, actually 10. I just realized this song's 4 years old. Jesus Lord. That is a long, it's not really a long time, but it's a long time at the same time. But yeah, a good song. Music video didn't really do it for me, but that's okay. We can get past the music video. So thank you for the suggestion for this throwback reaction. I did appreciate it. I enjoyed it doing it. And like I said at the beginning, if you want to make any suggestions, drop them down in the comments below, or you can send them to me on Twitter. If you just click on the link that will take you straight to my Twitter profile, you can make your suggestion there. And while you're there, you can give me a follow too. Helps me hit my weekly follower goals. And also, since you're here, check me out on YouTube, watch the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, then subscribe, because there is definitely more content coming your way. So subscribe so you don't miss a single video. And that is all that I have got. So as always, I would like to thank you for watching this video, and I do hope to see you back next time for my next video. So I will see you all then. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Goodbye. I just butchered that outro. That's what I get for trying to do something a bit new. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you all later.
사랑해서 너무 미안해. 이렇게 떠날 거면서 왜 너를 쉽게 놓아주질 못했던 걸까. 내 욕심이 널 힘들게 했어. 그래서 내가 더 미안해져.
욕심 때문에 네가 힘들었단 걸, 좀 사랑이 아닌 나의 집착이었었단 걸. 그래, 잡지도 놓지도 못하는 바보 같은 날 애써 기다렸었던 널 그대로 둘 수 없었던 건 그래도 마지막 남은 내 양심 때문일까. 아니, 불타오르는 사랑의 정과 바꿀 수 없던 걸까. 나의 모든 걸 다 버리고 너와 함께 하겠다는 그 말, 시간을 돌려 다시 하겠단 말.
나는 할 수 없었어. 널 잡을 수는 없었어. 조금 기다려달란 그 말도 미안하니까 아무 말도 하지마. 그냥 이대로 날 버려두면 돼. 널 위해서 말야. 사랑해서 너무 미안해. 이렇게 떠날 거면서 왜 너를 쉽게 놓아주지 못했던 걸까. 내 욕심이 널 힘들게 했어. 그래서 내가 더 미안해져. 나는 할 수 없었어. 널 잡을 수는 없었어. 조금 기다려달란 그 말도 미안하니까 그러면 안 되는데 너를 사랑하게 된 거야.
절망만 돌이킬 수 없는 어제는 너와 내 가슴에 상처만 남아 잡히지 않는 너와의 추억은 사이 눈처럼 녹아 이제는 내서 그대를 잊으려 하지 않아 그냥 계속해서 내 안에 살게 하다가 끝까지 돌아올 때 무서워져 올 때
널 할 수 있다면 널 다시 볼 수 있다면 모두 버리고 난 너에게 늘 달리고 싶어 너 없이는 단 하루도 살아갈 수가 없어 날 떠나가지 마 제발